What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dwani back with another video. I know it's been a while since you actually see me, but hey, I'm back after a long break. I did a long break with not doing any YouTube videos. I've been back for about a couple months now. My last video has been about like a week or so, but I still got more content coming, guys, but you guys gotta stay tuned. And today's video, those of you that actually follow me on my Instagram page, Dwani Effect Films, if you haven't already, make sure you follow my Instagram page. A giveaway that my 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm doing, and I did a promo video of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Basically, this video is going to go into more in details about the giveaway and what to expect. So once I reach up to 1,000 subscribers, guys, comment, subscribe, and like so you won't miss out on this opportunity of getting yourself a free drone. Okay, now I'm gonna say this as a disclaimer. Propelled, who is the actual brand of the drone, has no association, nor are they sponsored by this video or anything. They have nothing to do with this giveaway that I'm doing. This is something that I'm doing for my subscribers, my supporters. Actually, you guys are not my subscribers, you guys are my supporters. You change that. This video giveaway is for my supporters. This is my way of giving back to you guys, for one, watching my videos, subscribing, and and just sticking with the channel, and everything, even during my long break. I had several people that had reached out to me, asking like, when are you gonna come back to YouTube? We miss you out there and all that stuff and things. I'm back, y'all. So I just want to thank to those that have been, supporting me since day one. And those few people are real to real. Day one. 728 Autos, TJ2 Live, and also Bradford White, aka 2 Fitted, out in Orlando, Florida. Thank you guys so much. And I got a couple of things actually from Bradford White, aka 2 Fitted. I bought a couple of his stuff. He has his own business that he's doing as well. Got a couple of things, but I'll definitely feature that in my next video. But yeah, y'all, this is something that I wanted to give back to my supporters, like I said. And let's just get into it. So whoever, I'm going to be picking the comments. So I'm going to have a little system, a little YouTube system that will actually pick the comments, and whoever that winner is, okay, will get the free drone. This is a 2.4 gigahertz neutron propel drone. Okay, is the camera, if you may see, that's the camera right there, and it does come with a controller. All right, with it, like, the wings and stuff like that you can do. But yeah, I just ask that you guys just make sure you stay in tuned. Like I said, I plan on doing more giveaways on the channel. There's some other things are going to be happening in the near future on my channel as well. So that's why it's important to stay subscribed, like, and comment, and hit the bell so you can get the post notifications. But other than that, you guys, thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you on the next. Peace.